Hello, Mr. King. I'd like to tell you about the License to Learn program. License to Learn is a program which helps students like me teach other students who might be falling behind in school and to get them to stop falling behind. We have an approach that we try to make the students feel more comfortable. The first thing we try to do is we try to get to know the students. We try not to focus at what they need help with, but we try to focus on what they're good at. But License to Learn needs money to operate. And it would be extremely great if you could donate some of your money towards License to Learn. It doesn't need to be a lot, even a little bit helps. And if you donated it, you'd be helping hundreds, if not thousands of students to get better in school and stop falling behind. Thank you for watching my video.